Quick tip, working on our SCX24, we got some Little Guy Racing Products tires and some Enduro wheels. One of the things that we learned on the third wheel was how to do it properly. First thing you want to do is secure the lock ring itself. Then you want to separate the two halves of the wheel, allowing you to get the center ring out so you can install it into your tire. Just like our 10 scale, we like to vent our tires. With the ring inserted into the tire, you want to then work the two halves of the rim into the tire, carefully making sure the bead is seated all the way. The alternative way of doing this would be to just undo the ring and then try to slide both halves of the wheel into the tire and then struggling to seat this tiny little bead into your 1-inch scale bead lock.